Health maintenance organizations, HMOs, and preferred provider organizations, PPOs, are two common types of health insurance plans that provide coverage to individuals and families. Each plan has its own set of features, advantages, and limitations. HMOs typically offer more comprehensive coverage for preventive care and routine medical services. These plans often require members to choose a primary care physician, PCP, and get referrals from the PCP to see specialists. HMOs prioritize coordination of care, emphasizing a team-based approach to healthcare management. While they may have lower out-of-pocket costs for in-network services, coverage outside the network is usually limited, and members may need to bear a higher financial burden for out-of-network care. On the other hand, PPOs provide more flexibility when it comes to choosing healthcare providers. Members can generally see any doctor or specialist without a referral, both in and out of the network. PPOs may have higher premiums and out-of-pocket costs, but the trade-off is the freedom to access a broader range of healthcare providers. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for individuals who may need to see specialists or healthcare providers outside their plan's network. In summary, HMOs offer more comprehensive coverage for in-network services with an emphasis on preventive care and coordinated management. PPOs, while potentially more expensive, provide greater flexibility in choosing healthcare providers, making them suitable for those who prioritize choice and accessibility. The decision between HMO and PPO ultimately depends on individual preferences, healthcare needs, and budget considerations. Before choosing a plan, it's crucial for individuals to carefully review the specifics of each option, considering factors such as network coverage, out-of-pocket costs, and personal healthcare preferences.
Looking for the best health provider with the coverage you need? Our network of providers allows you to create your own flexible plan and help you get the health coverage that you deserve. Speak with one of our health insurance specialists and get a free quote over the phone at 1-800-410-1206.